Hello everybody, welcome to TechExpress. My name is Steven. I'm going to be showing you how to use DSers with the actual Shopify. So DSers is an actual place to make dropshipping. And what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is the art to sell stuff that you actually don't have into your actual store. I'm not going to be focusing a lot into how to make dropshipping, but I'm going to be showing you how to use DSers into Shopify. So the very first thing you wanted to do is to go into shopify.com, and here what you want to do is to create an account. Now I'm going to be leaving you a link down below in the description, guys, so you can have the actual trial version, and then later on you can enjoy 3 months with almost absolutely any kind of plan, and then you can pay only $1. With that being said, let's just get started. The very first thing we wanted to do now that we are here into our dashboard of Shopify is to actually download the actual DSers. So what I want to do is to hit into the application section. I'm currently here. And as you can see, have the recommended for business like yours, it says DSers. So if you don't see this recommendation, you don't have to worry about that. Let's go for apps and sales channel settings and focus into the actual upper side says Shopify App Store. So once I click that, it's going to be taking us into the actual App Store of Shopify. So here I want to look out for my keyword, which is dropshipping. I'm going to hit into the enter mark, and if you don't find DSers, in my case it's actually in here, but just in case you don't find DSers, you can look out for another dropshipping supplier that can be helping you to do this exercise. So it's almost the same, it's kind of the same whether you wanted to use Pocket, SendDropped, Trendy, Dropshipment, or DSers, so it's totally up to you. So DSers is the dropshipping of AliExpress. So we need to have an AliExpress account in order to continue. So we need to have an AliExpress account in order to continue. So first of all, let's focus into DSers AliExpress.dropshipping. And here I want to head into add application. This one should be taking us into the authorization access from our Shopify store, and then later on you wanted to just click into install, and then we're actually good to go. In my case, I'm going to hit into the install application. And then we are now inside DSers. So what you want to do is to hit into create an account for you. What we need to do, of course, is just to create an account into DSers. We want to choose the free plan, which is this one. If you want to check it out, all the different versions, you want to just head down and check it out, the features and all that. In my case, I'm going to stick around with the free version. Let's get into get started. And now I need to link an AliExpress account. So I'm going to get into link to AliExpress. And then later on, this one's going to be taking us into an AliExpress account. So what you wanted to do is to whether choose to sign in or to register with your actual account. It's really important, guys, that you choose the actual location where you're actually currently from. Otherwise, it's going to be a little bit hard to make the actual drop shipping, let's say, magic into your actual store. So in that case, I'm going to do this real quick, and let's go back with you. Now that we have verified our account, it's like too easy to get started here. If you don't know how to get started, that's the reason why we are actually here. So what you want to do is to hit into I will explore fully and learn later, because I'm going to show you that there's actually nothing to worry about, because this is really easy to use. So first of all, let's go into the X mark. I want to focus here. As you can see, Shopify and DSers are now linked in. So that means that if I wanted to import a product from the actual DSers, this one automatically is going to be sent it into our store, and we don't have to do absolutely anything. Speaking about adding images, adding the description, adding the variants, the colors, the shipping method, the price, we don't have to do anything. So we have to do just the manual way. Speaking about the description, the title, and the prices inside DSers, and then later on into Shopify, we don't have to actually do anything but to confirm that everything is now great. Done. So I'm gonna hit into DSers, and now that I'm here, I wanted to, let's say, focus into an item that I want to sell. Let's say, for example, that I want to focus into some Nintendo Switch, for example, stuffed. So you wanted to focus into just one specific niche, and if you don't know what to exactly you wanted to actually sell, you wanted to go into the actual section that says home, and here into home, you wanted to look out for let's say products that are like the winning products into the USA, maybe into the UK, depending on where you're actually currently from. So I can look out for find supplier or the supplier optimizer. So if I focus into the winning products from the United States, as you can see, like some products that are really making some really good sales are, let's say, those neon stuff for nails for the ladies. This autumn scale shirts. They are really making some real really weight sales. So I choose this product, and then later on what I want to do is to see this product inside AliExpress and see what is the actual quality of this product. So as you can see, here is this actual shirt. Speaking about the color and all that, I believe that we are actually into Mexico, so I'm going to change this into the United States and save this so I can see the actual product from the United States. So once I'm convinced that I kind of find like the right product for me in order to sell this, what I wanted to do now is just to focus into copy this actual link. I'm going to go into supplier optimizer. I'm going to paste the AliExpress URL. I'm going to hit now into search, and here is the actual quality suppliers. Now this one is going to be helping me to figure out which is the best supplier for me, which one has the best price, which one has the best shipping price, the delivery date, the rating. So I wanted to look out for the best that fits for me. So I'm going to filter this for prices, and as you can see, this has $7 and has 0 ratings. So I want to look out for something a little bit more interesting than that. So as you can see, the shipping price of here is like $90, $80. So I think this one has a shipping price of 0, $10 of the actual price, and there's actually a lot of sales. So what I want to do is to check it out, this actual product, and if this product is actually the same as I was looking for, then I can choose this one and start to sell that. In my case, I believe it is not, so I wanted to only focus into the one that fits for my need, which in my case I believe is this one. So once I found the supplier optimizer, I wanted to add this into my import list. So what I want to do is to go to the import list to check it out, what is the actual product that I just imported. So I'm going to click into edit product. Now here's the part where I wanted to edit my actual product. So it says, for example, the title, new elegant form, classic shirt woman. I'm going to delete all of this. I'm going to delete the new. I'm going to leave it like that. The collections, I'm going to go for the home page. The tags, I'm going to just leave it like that. The vendor, variant, description, images, you wanted to leave everything like that, and hit now into save. Now I know that this product cost from $7 to $8. So if I choose this push to Shopify, I wanted to actually select the push to Shopify. Here is elegant form classics. I'm going to go back now into Shopify. I'm going to hit into products, and there we go. As you can see, here's our actual product, the status, the inventory, the vendor. Everything is going to be added successfully, and once again, we don't have to do absolutely anything. This is how we can use DSers into Shopify. What is left to be done with us is to customize our store, is to set it up the shipping method, is to ship it out the payments, everything that we had that we needed to do, of course, in order to get started with Shopify and have our store active for the very day number 1. But speaking about DSers, everything should be now added automatically, and we can just start to drag and drop elements. Then later on, you can check it out, the actual marketing tools, analyzers, tracking codes, orders, and all that. So I think we have now covered like the basics from DSers into Shopify. So I think you guys now are ready to get started into DSers. But just in case you have a specific question, guys, you can leave it down below in the comment section. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this was very useful for you, and I will see you next time.